So guys, this is my country catch. You know, I went to the country, so this is my catch. So I have East Indian and Julie mangoes. I have Nesberry. I have Jackfruit, my favorite. I get cane, get some ackee, some breadfruit, and jelly, coconut. Yes, country life. I've eaten a bit of cane in the meantime. So guys, so this is my catch. So guys, everything here except the mango I have to purchase. It's not free. I don't know if it's maybe our tree these breadfruit came from, but I still have to buy them. I still have to purchase them. Alright, so